Hi, Eddie Harper here, Executive Vice President of Mid-Hudson Co-Operative Insurance Company. We're coming to you from our headquarters in Montgomery, New York. Joining me today is Pete Morris, our claims manager. We're here to talk about winterizing and risk mitigation. Pete, can you give me a few inexpensive tips to start the winterization process?
Sure. A couple things to do around your home that are inexpensive are simple things like caulking around your windows, buying weather stripping, filling larger cracks with expandable foam, covering your windows with shrink wrap polystyrene. These are all things that are under $10 each to do and will save you on your heating bill.
Perfect. Speaking of heating, can you give our viewers some tips on how to handle the thermostat when they're not there?
One of the easiest things to do is, rather than just set your thermostat at a low temperature for the entire day, is to buy a programmable thermostat. And for under $25 you can get one of those, and it usually will set the heat for 3 different periods of time during the day and over a 7-day period.
Okay. How about if you don't have a heating unit in your seasonal home?
Well, in that case, what you want to do is have a licensed, insured plumber come to your home and winterize it.
I know you have over 20 years in the business. Is it safe to say that freezing pipes and water damage are the biggest claims in these types of homes?
They are, Ed. It's our biggest claims, period. And in order to avoid water damage claims, there's a couple of easy things that a homeowner can do, such as if they're going to be out of their house for extended periods of time during the day and lower their heat. What they want to try and do is make sure that the heat is still radiating out into the rooms. Move furniture away from your walls. Move furniture away from your heaters and radiators. Keep your vents open. Crack open your vanities and under your kitchen counters. That's where the pipes freeze, because you're usually on outside walls, and that's where the problem occurs.
Makes sense. Now, I think you would agree. Would you say having someone check on your house is probably the best way to handle these and to less chance of small claim turning into a big claim?
Absolutely. In fact, during Superstorm Sandy, we found that a lot of our claims were discovered after the storm, and it was months after the storm. We have a lot of seasonal homes that we insure, and it wasn't until the summertime that these losses were discovered. Superstorm Sandy was on October 29th, and it wasn't until June that these claims were discovered. Insurance will cover the initial damage, but the ensuing mold that grew from that, because nobody saw it, is not covered by insurance.
And that could be expensive.
That can be expensive.
Well, great. Well, I appreciate your time today, Pete. Thanks for joining us. And for more information, please check out our website, www.midhudsoncooperative.com, and also please follow us on LinkedIn.